YAKSOKHAE. YAKSOKHAE. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we are going to study about the word YAKSOKHAE. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 194. YAKSOKHAE. YAKSOKHAE. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is yak, second syllable is sok, and the third syllable is he. Pronounce it with me. YAKSOKHAE. YAKSOKHAE. The word YAKSOKHAE is the action of promising, or this is also used to say, promise me. If you could remember, the Korean word for promise is yaksok. On the other hand, the verb for promising is yaksokhada, and the present tense form of that is yaksokhae. How do we write yaksokhae in Hangul? Let's start with the first of the three syllables. To be able to write the syllable yak in Hangul, we need to draw first a no sound iyang, followed by the ya character, followed by the gyeok character. For the second syllable sok, we need to draw first a siyut character, followed by the o character, followed by the gyeok character. For the last syllable he, we need to draw first a hiyuk character, followed by the e character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word YAKSOKHAE. Now let's try to look into this example English phrase. It says, promise me. Again, it says, promise me. This could be translated as YAKSOKHAE in Korean. Again, it's YAKSOKHAE. Just some more information about the word YAKSOKHAE. It actually came from the word yaksok, which is the Korean noun for promise. Aside from the noun yaksok, there is also a root verb for the action of promising, and that is yaksokhada, which means to promise. When we transform yaksokhada into its present tense form, it will become yaksokhae. So the term yaksokhae can be used to say, promise me, or this could also be used to say, I promise. Take note that the term yaksokhae is in its informal form. And with that, you've just learned yaksokhae. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 184 to 193. But don't forget our word for today, word number 194, YAKSOKHAE. And this is used to say promise me or I promise. Word number 193 is wisa, and this is the Korean noun for doctor. Word number 192 is heba, and this is used to say, try to do it. Word number 191 is Boseyo, which means so, or the past tense of the verb to see. Word number 190 is moksori, and this is the Korean noun for voice. Word number 189 is bom, and this is the Korean noun for spring season. Word number 188 is tepong, and this is the Korean noun for typhoon. Word number 187 is wasoyo, which means came, or the past tense of the verb to come. Word number 186 is pigone, which means tired. Word number 185 is togo, and it is used to say that. And the last for our review, word number 184, igo. And this is used to say this. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.